Forgot to tell you on the last video that we just completed, when we saved our stuff as JPEGs, there's where all your JPEGs are in there. Should be in your mission folder within Bridge. So those are all the things you need to submit. So this, we're now going to retouch a portrait in Camera Raw. So in Bridge, go to your Lesson 12 folder where you see this select 12B start.nef. Click on that and then click File, Open in Camera Raw. That's what we want to do. And in the Edit options, we're going to choose Adobe Portrait. That's going to apply a more portrait-friendly initial rendering. You can try other profiles to see if they work better. For this particular image, Adobe Color produces a similar result to Adobe Portrait, but other profiles may not look very good. So in the basic panel in Camera Raw, we're going to select the white balance tool. Let me close this detail up here. So open up Basic, and we're going to click that. We're going to click the eyedropper, and we're going to click a white area in the model's dress, and that will remove a green color cast. Click the film strip menu button to hide it. Where's the film strip menu button? Anybody know? Somebody tell me where it is. Is that it? Oh, yeah, that was it. Duh. So with only one file open, we don't need that film strip. Frees up more space for viewing the image. In the Edit options, we're going to click Auto. The auto corrections improve the image. The automatic highlights adjustment reveals more detail in the white dress and lace hairpiece. However, some of the changes go too far, so we're going to edit certain settings. We're going to adjust specific basic panel options. So double click exposure. We're going to reset its value to 0. Double click the slider control. Oh, when you double click right there, it sets it to 0. Set contrast to -20. Set clarity to 0.8 +8. Now we're ready to give the model's face some focused attention. You'll use the Content Aware Remove tool to hide blemishes and smooth the skin. In the toolbar along the right edge of the Camera Raw window, click the healing icon. So that's right there. Under the histogram healing tools, replace the edit tools. In the heading options, select the Content Aware Remove tool. That's this one right here. Oh, excuse me. This one right here. I was on the right one. I clicked away from it. It can detect content such as skin blemishes and seamlessly fill them in with surrounding content. It's similar to the spot healing brush tool we used in Photoshop. Select the view magnification, make this at 100%. Whoa! In the healing options, set the size to 15. Opacity should be at 100. Click one of the spots on the face. Look at there. The Content Aware Remove tool fills in the spot you click by using the content around it. So drag the Content Aware Remove tool over the dark blemishes on the neck. dragging is useful here because the current size setting might not be able to. So you can drag down like that. If show controls is enabled in the healing tools, click to disable it so you can better see the results. So let's do this. Let's take the hand and we're going to move it around. And just remove any, got to go back to the brush. You can see that it magically gets rid of any blemish. Should I get rid of her nose ring? I wonder if it'll do that. Look there. Shouldn't have a nose ring in mine anymore. You don't have to do that, but if you want to, you can. Just go around and get rid of as many blemishes as you so desire. Brush over fine lines around the eyes and mouth. You can also brush away freckles and minor blemishes. Neck, arms, and chest. Experiment with simply clicking, using very short strokes, and creating longer brush strokes. So just go through and get rid of as much as you can. I want to see that you've made some adjustments here. So you got a lot you can do on the arms and other parts. See what happens when I do something like that. Look at that. So I'm going to be checking yours to see that this lady doesn't have blemishes like she did. We're going to make it as smooth as we possibly can. Alright, so removing distracting. Oh, I didn't do anything around the mouth. Let me go look here. Should we get rid of these wrinkles? Wrinkle lines? Look there. We're going to make her look younger. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. So, leave enough that the face retains its character. You can practice by removing jewelry on the nose if you want to. But if you were doing this for real, it'd be preferable to leave the jewelry visible if it's meaningful to that person. The safe thing to do is ask them before removing personal decorations like jewelry. You can also experiment with removing blemishes with the heal tool instead of the content aware remove tool. In general, the heal tool may do better. So which tool would you choose to paint content exactly as it is in another part? Is it the content aware remove tool, clone tool, heal tool, or all of those? It is the clone tool.